Good morning, students. In this lecture, we would be discussing on Coriolis force. See, it is a fictitious force experienced by a particle when it is in motion in a rotating frame of reference, and it depends on the angular velocity of the rotating frame and the velocity of the particle in the moving frame. It is a deflecting force at right angles to the direction of motion of the moving body, and it disappears if the body has zero velocity, and it is not absorbed in a stationary frame, which means it is the invisible force that appears to deflect the object. The Coriolis force is determined by the rate of rotation and mass of the object. Here the Coriolis force is a force which acts upon any moving body in an independently rotating system. And what are the characteristics of this force? See, this one is resulting from the rotational moment of the earth, and its effective on objects that is in motion, such as wind, aircrafts, ballistic and flying birds. And Coriolis effect only it affects the wind direction. It deflected in the northern and southern hemisphere, not with the wind speed, as it deflects the wind direction. And the magnitude of Coriolis force is determined by wind speed. Here the higher the wind speed, greater is the deflection. And Coriolis force is maximum at the poles and zero at the equator, and it acts always in a direction that is perpendicular to the moving object's axis. For example, erosion of river banks in case of river flowing from north to south direction. Here the current of water experiences a Coriolis force westward in the northern hemisphere. As a result, western bank of the river is subjected to a greater erosion than the eastern bank. And another factor is formation of cyclones. The entry of fast moving air stream into a region of low pressure from all sides is called as cyclones. The air current from north to south is deflected westward, and that from south to north is deflected towards east due to the presence of Coriolis force. And the net result, it is a cyclone which is in anti-clockwise, that is in northern hemisphere, and clockwise direction in southern hemisphere. See, the main which is due to the deflection in wind speed. See, this is Coriolis force and characteristics and examples. This is for 2 marks question. Define Coriolis force and given examples. You can define relation, that is Fc equals minus 2m omega cross v. That is the expression for Coriolis force. And examples like erosion of river banks in case of river flowing from north direction to south direction. And another important factor is formation of cyclones. So this is the end of the discussion today. That is, topic is Coriolis force.